Welcome. My name is Thomas. I'm just here to have a conversation around my mentorship and coaching business and just my service-based business in general and the direction I'm going in slightly shifting. I've been in the tax preparation industry for 22 years, 16 as a business owner, so tax preparation has been 95% of my income for those many years. But now I'm shifting into coaching and mentorship where I'm helping women who want to start their own tax preparation business get started from A to Z, and I'm also going in the path of bookkeeping services. So I'm finna get back into bookkeeping services full time, getting all in. And so those are the two primary services I'm going to be promoting the remainder of this year is mentorship and coaching for new tax professionals and bookkeeping services for small business owners who understand the importance of having good records and books done for their business. And so that's the new direction I'm headed in. And I'm getting started in 2023, May of this month, on my bookkeeping journey. And so if you're interested in bookkeeping, I'm not here to try to pitch you on a program that I'm uh, using to uh, sell you how to become a bookkeeper because that's not the role I'm trying to take on at this point. But it's places that's out here that has a free bookkeeping program that you can take, and it's called Intuit Academy .com. So if you go to intuitacademy.org or .com, one of the two, they have a free tax preparation course and a free bookkeeping course. You take both of those, you pass them successfully, you get a certification, and it's a good chance they'll reach out to you for possible employment because those free programs that's given through businesses like that have a strategic plan behind them. They to get qualified uh, tax professionals and qualified bookkeeping professionals who are looking for a career in those two industries to get started with them by giving them free training. And then if you do real well and pass and get your certification, and if you look into make a career in one of those two industries, then they got you faded because they got more information for you that you can utilize uh, to possibly be working for them for the upcoming tax season. And so that's the only reason I'm mentioning that is just a heads up for people who might be looking for a free way to learn how to do tax preparation, a free way to learn bookkeeping, and to see if this is a right and good fit for you. And if it is, you can leverage that by getting a certificate in both and then learning more about uh, those two different industries by actually uh, taking more training through other avenues and eventually even get a job working with Intuit for the upcoming tax season where you can make a living, you can make a career getting started working with them and decide after you build a foundation for yourself that you might become a solopreneur slash self-employed individual after that. The choice is yours. There's no right or wrong. You get to decide for yourself what you want to do when it comes to that. And so I just wanted to put that out there that Intuit Academy has a free tax preparation course you can take, as well as a bookkeeping course. And then as I just got off the page, they had like 3 to 4 other programs that you could take that I think might be free as well. That gives you more training that's in depth that can help you definitely if you're looking for a career in either one of those industries. You know what I'm saying? And so I would definitely take advantage of those situations. I plan on doing so, and I'm going to leave the link inside the video to Intuit Academy so to take you straight to the site. You can register an account. You can enroll inside the tax preparation course. Go knock that out, get your certificate, and then enroll for the bookkeeping course. And then you will get to see the other specialties items that they offer as far as training that you might be interested in learning as well, and you can get off on those things also. So I'm just trying to be a invaluable resource to people who are looking to start a business or might already be in business who might not know about these things, or people who looking to start a career uh, and not know where to go, where they can get a chance to learn for free to see if this is a good fit for them. Because see, the worst thing is you want to do is spend a whole lot of money to find out if the career you want to start is right for you. You know what I'm saying? Because that's the only way you can really find out is to take action on some level by enrolling in somebody's course, either free or paid. And so the best way to get started is free to see if this is the right move for you when it comes to the tax preparation course or the free bookkeeping course. Either one, you know what I'm saying, you got to decide for yourself if that's the good fit for you. And the best way to do that is to make a commitment with your time by taking a course to see if this is the right career industry for you to make it happen. And so if you're the person that's already in this industry, you already got a teaching, you want to make extra money going forward, and you realize the potential you can make in this industry already because you have prior training experience, you're already working for a firm, you might be making decent money based on uh, how large the firm is and how big the clientele is and how long you're working. Because, you know, when I worked at Jackson Hewitt for 6 years, the most I ever made in one particular season was $8,000, and that was kibbles and bits back then compared to what I make now, and compared to what new people can make now. Because uh, I was working for a company back then, but now, yeah, you know, the best right to go is to work for yourself. But if working for yourself is something you don't want to start out doing, then you can pick up some training and some experience and some confidence and some clientele uh, by working for a company until you get yourself to a point where you're ready to go off on your own. And it's no right or wrong with that either. You can stay with a company as long as they elect you, based on your desire to be with a company. You know what I'm saying? The choice is yours. So this video here was just to let people know that when it comes to the services that I provide, my main two primary services is going to be mentorship and coaching for new tax pros and bookkeeping services for small businesses. So those are two main directions I'm going in. And then again, just, you know, letting people know that there's different resources out here to help you to start and grow your business. You got to just be able to implement those things once you learn about them. You know what I'm saying? You got SCORE, their institution that helps aspiring entrepreneurs to get started. They have mentors you can connect with who can help you when it comes to the setup phase of the business and all the different moving pieces of having a business. You know, they got people in institutions and foundations and all these different things out here for you to help you get started on a free level. You know what I'm saying? It's free is the way you feel comfortable with going. Maybe you may not have the finances to get started with paying someone for mentorship and coaching, and free is the only avenue you have to truly be able to take a look at whatever you're trying to do to see if it's the right fit for you without you investing any money at all, but some time. And so when it's all said and done, my goal and my desires to be helpful to aspiring entrepreneurs and to entrepreneurs that's already out here, you know. And so if you know you want to start your own tax preparation business and you know you need some help, uh, it don't cost you a dime. You call me 773-782-1320. I have no problem with answering all your questions, concerns. I have no problem with giving from my abundance on how I could help you get started with whatever business you want to start. I just have to specialize in tax preparation and taxation, you know what I'm saying? But to help you get started in the business in general, I can do that as well. And I don't have no problem with doing that without putting a financial obligation to it because I'm trying to be helpful to you to help you get started on your journey to entrepreneurship and being a business owner. And if I can do that, then that's something I want to make happen for people who want to take advantage of this opportunity that I'm giving you right now for the month of May to reach out to me, talk with me, let me know what your plans are for starting a business. Let me walk you through some possible ideas on how you can make that happen in the most inexpensive way and take it from there, and hopefully you get plenty much success from that because my true desire is to be helpful to the person who's looking for help, who wants to be helped, who wants to do everything they need to do to get where they're trying to go, and they understand that, hey, if I just had a little help, a little direction, a little guidance, a little leadership, I can make it rain. I can make it do what it do. That's the belief and faith you have in yourself, along with somebody who already got this knowledge and the skills and the information already set out and laid at your feet. It's just waiting for you to consume it and implement it inside your business and inside your world to make it happen to get the results you want to get for you and your family. And I'll see you in my next video.